No time to eat healthy? Listen up. If you're always on the go, juggling work, family, and personal commitments, it can feel impossible to find the time to eat well. But trust me, it's not as hard as it seems. I've been there, swamped with work, family chaos, deadlines piling up. You barely have time to breathe, let alone chop veggies. The stress can be overwhelming, and it's easy to fall into the trap of grabbing whatever's convenient, even if it's not the healthiest option. Skipped meals, drive-through disasters, feeling like a total donkey, we've all been there. You might think that eating healthy requires hours of meal prep and cooking, but that's not the case. It's about making small, manageable changes that fit into your busy lifestyle. But let me tell you, enough is enough. You don't have to sacrifice your health because of a busy schedule. It's time to take control and make a change. You deserve to feel good, to have energy, and to ditch that sluggish feeling once and for all. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, powering through your day with energy, and ending it with a sense of accomplishment. It's possible, and it starts with what you put into your body. Healthy eating doesn't have to be a gourmet nightmare. You don't need to be a master chef to eat well. It's about finding quick and easy recipes that you can whip up in no time. Think simple salads, stir-fries, and smoothies that are packed with nutrients. It's about making smart choices, even when you're up to your eyeballs in stress. Keep healthy snacks on hand like nuts, fruits, and yogurt, so you're not tempted by junk food. Plan your meals ahead of time, so you're not scrambling to find something to eat at the last minute. In this video, I'm sharing 3 ridiculously simple habits that completely transformed my relationship with food. And trust me, if I can do it, anyone can. These habits are easy to implement and can make a huge difference in how you feel. No time to eat healthy? I've been there. Busy days, skipped meals, and drive-through regrets. But it doesn't have to be this way. With a little planning and some smart choices, you can eat well, even on the busiest of days. 3 simple habits completely changed the game for me. These habits are not about drastic changes or complicated diets. They're about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your busy life. So stay tuned, and let's dive into these game-changing habits that will help you eat healthy, no matter how busy you are. Let's be honest, when you're juggling a million things at once, it feels like you're constantly running a marathon. Whether it's work deadlines, family responsibilities, or just the daily grind of commuting, life can get overwhelming. And in the midst of all this chaos, finding time to eat healthy often feels like an impossible task. Healthy eating is the first thing to go. You find yourself grabbing fast food on the go, snacking on whatever's available, and before you know it, your fridge is filled with nothing but unhealthy options. It's a vicious cycle that leaves you feeling drained and unmotivated. Who has time for elaborate recipes and farmers market trips every day? The idea of spending hours in the kitchen after a long day is daunting. You might start with good intentions, but the reality of your busy schedule quickly sets in, and those intentions fall by the wayside. It's like trying to make a souffle in a hurricane, a recipe for disaster. The kitchen becomes a battleground, and instead of a delicious meal, you end up with a mess and even more stress. It's no wonder so many of us give up and reach for the easiest, quickest option available. You end up stressed, starving, and reaching for whatever's easiest, usually the stuff that's going to send you crashing down faster than a bad souffle. Late-night snacking, fast food, and sugary treats become your go-to, and while they might provide a quick fix, they leave you feeling worse in the long run. But here's the kicker. It doesn't have to be this way. With a few simple changes, you can turn things around. Imagine opening your fridge to find it stocked with fresh, healthy options. Picture yourself feeling energized and ready to take on the day, without the crash that comes from unhealthy eating habits. You don't need to become a gourmet chef overnight or live at the gym to eat well. Small, manageable changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals, or try meal prepping on the weekends to save time during the week. Even a quick workout at home can boost your energy levels and improve your overall well-being. We're talking small changes, big results. By making these adjustments, you'll not only improve your physical health, but also your mental and emotional well-being. You'll feel more in control, less stressed, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. So take that first step towards a healthier, happier you. The struggle might be real, but the solution is within your reach. Hey, I'm not here to tell you to flip your life upside down. We all know how crazy things can get when you're already juggling a million tasks. Who's got time for that? Big changes can be scary and, let's face it, not always doable. We're talking about tiny tweaks that fit right into your busy life. Little changes that don't need a complete lifestyle makeover. No extra stress. Imagine enjoying your meals without the guilt or stress about what you're eating. Think of it like adding a pinch of salt, a small tweak that makes a big difference. These tiny changes can boost your health without overwhelming you. It's all about working smarter, not harder. These small changes can save you time and energy, making life easier and more enjoyable. And the best part, these habits are so simple you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to make healthier choices. Get ready to ditch the guilt and cravings and finally feel in control of your health. These small tweaks can lead to big results, helping you feel more accomplished and in control. So let's dive in and see how these tiny tweaks can make a massive impact on your well-being. Let's talk about that dreaded afternoon slump. You know, when your stomach's growling, your brain's on pause, and the vending machine looks way too tempting? Don't give in. Instead, let's set up a snack station that'll impress even the pickiest eater. Think pre-cut veggies, fresh fruit, hard-boiled eggs, real food that's ready when you are. Keep it stocked at your desk, in your car, wherever you might get tempted. No more excuses, got it? All right, let's dive into habit number 2. Conquer one meal like a boss. No need to become a meal prep fanatic and spend your whole Sunday cooking. Just pick one meal to prep ahead of time. Breakfast is a great start. Think overnight oats, chia pudding, or a quick breakfast burrito. All solid choices. Having one meal ready to go makes a huge difference. It's like having a secret weapon against those fast food cravings. Trust me, your future self will be grateful. Habit number 3. Simplify your shopping list. Stop overcomplicating things. You don't need a pantry full of exotic ingredients to eat well. Just stick to a few healthy staples you can mix and match into endless meals. Eggs, frozen veggies, canned beans, some pre-cooked grains. Boom! You've got the foundation for a week's worth of delicious, nutritious meals. No more staring blankly into the fridge wondering what to make. It's all about efficiency, folks. Here's a bonus tip for you. Swap, don't deprive. Look, I'm not saying you can never have a treat again. Instead of depriving yourself, let's be smart about it. Swap out the junk for something that's actually good for you. Like chips? Try a handful of almonds instead. Soda? Go for sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon. You get the idea. These small swaps can lead to big wins over time. Real talk, this stuff really works. I'm not going to pretend I'm perfect. I still get cravings for a burger and fries sometimes. But these simple habits have been game changers for me. They've kept me energized, focused, and feeling great, even under pressure. And the best part, they don't take more time, just a bit of planning and effort. You've got this. Let's make a change, just one habit today. Don't let this be another video you watch and forget. Pick one habit from this video and start it today. Set up that snack station, prep a meal, or simplify your shopping list. Just do something. And if you're ready to take your health to the next level, hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing more straightforward tips and tricks to help you fuel your body and conquer your day. All right, let's get out there and cook like we mean it. We've just scratched the surface of healthy eating for busy folks. It's not about being perfect, it's about being prepared. So, no more excuses, just start making those changes. Your body will thank you for it, and let's stop the whining about being too busy. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, so make them count and get cooking. Just a quick heads up, this video is for informational purposes only. It's not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any condition. So always check with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle.